sliding strong. Wow, turn around and stick it up. Wow, wow, fine specimen. Wow, drop it down now, pick it up. Wow, 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 drop it down now, pick it up. Wow, 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 drop it down now, pick it up. Wow, wow, wow. I'm really loving this style. I'm really loving the way that you're picking it up and dropping it down. Wow, wow, so intense, like what have you done? I'm just here, I'm trying to have fun. Shaking like that, don't hurt no one, don't hurt no one, don't hurt no one. Pick it up, drop it down. Push it up, poke it like
2024년이라서
upside down on the wall, upside down on the wall. Sliding strong, wow. Turn around and stick it up, wow, wow. Fine specimen, wow. Drop it down now, pick it up, wow, wow. Wow, wow. Drop it down now, pick it up, wow, wow. Wow, wow. Drop it down now, pick it up, wow, wow. Looking at you, baby, drop that thing. Make it drop that thing like feeling the move when you drop that thing. Make it count like montage. Like tickling and shake, stop. That drop, now bring it back to the top. Hey, mix it up, Let's go. Sliding strong, wow. Turn around and stick it up, wow. Fine specimen, wow. Drop it down now, pick it up, wow, wow. Wow, wow. Drop it down now, pick it up, wow, wow. Wow, wow. Drop it down now, pick it up, wow, wow. Wow, wow. Drop it down now, pick it up, wow, wow. Wow, wow. Drop it down now, pick it up, wow.
down. 짠.
야.
무거운가 봐.
brings up Jack Sawinski with runners at second and third.
Sawinski strikes out swinging. And Jordan Hicks had a little flourish at the end of that one. His 7th strikeout.
Nice strikeouts.
First baseman, Rowdy Thomas.
Oh, yeah.
Giants. Gets away from Bart to third. Flores is out. Oh, safe. Oh, that was close.
We're going to wait to hear, see if what Kevin Roach has to say. And Kevin Roach says, hey, we got a challenge.
Heart rate. They're going to give this guy a heart attack.
Safe.
Pittsburgh is challenging the safe call at third base.
Oh, right on the corner.
His foot comes off.
Yeah.
After review, the call on the field is overturned. The runner is out. Pittsburgh will retain their challenge.
정우리.
Speedy Lee was able to beat that one out.
Fourth place, I put tough list.
What? Another place? What's that mean?
Out of the game. He's going to get a big ovation from Giants fans. Deservedly so. What a night for him. 6+, 9 strikeouts, no walks, and so far no runs.
Lulu for the Giants. Distract you while in the whole game.
Thirds. Fastball lined into center. Going back is Lee. Still going back, and he makes the catch. 2-2 pitch. Swing and a miss. He struck it out with a beautiful slider. Brilliantly thrown by. The pitch on the way.
A little bouncer hit softly up the first base side, and quickly it's Flores, and a great catch made by Doval to get the out.
The runner at second base for San Francisco, number 14, Patrick Bailey. And leading off, the fun of the 10th for your Giants, designated hitter.
To the year.
High drive to left, and you can forget about it.
And it's a one-run game. And the Jets.
Oh my God.